Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. So in this video we are going to announce one-day webinar on AI in healthcare. You saw a lot of time AI, artificial intelligence, but artificial intelligence is not a single tool or not a single process. There are a lot of different tasks are involved, the tools are involved, the platforms are involved. And we are going to share you here everything related to the AI in the healthcare, which will help you. So basically what kind of the topics we will cover in this webinar. The first one is the application of AI in healthcare. Second, the different tools used in AI in the healthcare. Then what are the skill set and knowledge which is required to work in AI in healthcare, and then the challenges behind this. At the same time, we also teach you or summarize you about the Python in AI and machine learning in AI. And this session was conducted by the expert having a good knowledge and experience in the AI. Okay, so this webinar will be more helpful to all the people who wish to know more about how AI work, how AI impact, and how you can build your career in AI in the healthcare. So when this webinar will be conducted, so it will be conducted on 29 March 2026. The timing will be afternoon 12 to 2. So how you can participate? It is very simple. You just have to pay the admission fees, which is 199 rupees. You can pay this fees by click on the resume link given in the description, or you can pay directly to this number. This is our official contact number. Or you can also fill the Google form. If you have any query, any doubt, fill the Google form. We will reach to you. Okay. So after payment, you just have to share your name, email, qualification, location to this number on WhatsApp. Then you will get an email confirmation, and we will add it in the group of the webinar which will be conducted for the AI in healthcare. So we will discuss about the benefits of this webinar. The first benefit is you will get the certification of participation in this webinar. Next one, you will also get a learning from the expert having good experience in the AI in the healthcare. Then you will get recordings of these sessions as well. Then the next, you will also get the further assistance. If you needed anything, we already create the group. Okay, then you can ask your questions there. Okay, we will guide you accordingly. So there are a lot of benefits of the AI in healthcare in the industry as well, and in the academics also. From onwards, already every subject incorporated with the AI. So the student has to learn the AI, and this session will be more helpful for you. So I hope this all information you will got properly. If you still any query, just communicate with us. You can call to this number. This is our student coordinator number, or visit our website, or you can fill Google form which is given in the description. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new to our channel, let me tell you, our channel provides different career and business opportunities in the pharmaceuticals and different webinars and the new information related to the pharma. So if you want to build career in pharma, or you are a pharma student, then this channel will definitely help you in your career and business journey. And again, don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the best.